Wow, good morning. Here we are. First garage finally on site that we're going to do. A 24 by 24 salt box. 2-car garage. It'll have a couple windows, an entry door, side entry door. And we're doing the excavation work today. I'm running the excavator. Chad and Dan will be along probably in 2 or 3 hours. They're finishing up the freight house work, the clapboarding. They should be done pretty soon. Hoping we can get it leveled well enough this morning so we can set up forms, get the plastic and rebar down, and finally, I can't believe it, finally do some work. So we're going to find out soon, concrete, how long it takes this year. Last year it was about 10 days from the time you order it till you could actually get it. So we're going to see how that works, how well it goes. So, hang on. I hope you enjoy this. So the street we're working on in a residential area here, they're redoing the sidewalks. I believe they're doing water and sewer. So I don't know what we're going to run into for problems. Hopefully none. I see flashing lights, but I don't know what that means. Well, I think it's going to be all right. They have a temporary water line set up. Oh boy. All right, and the machine is there. We are going to start digging. Woohoo! Let's do it. Okay, so how do you like this rig? I'm going to have this on while I'm in the excavator running and see if I can see it from a different angle there. But we have to tear up the concrete. There's 3 walls of it, and we're going to bury that. Hopefully it's just a little, sometimes they would pour just a little shallow area. Maybe some concrete right there on the front. Yep. Pretty nice material there. Looks like they did build it up when they did this. Good, okay. So it looks like it's not a very deep one. We'll dig this out, dig it down, then we'll just lay the concrete down into there and bury it. move that this way some. Three-quarter-inch crusher run gravel. We're going to use that as a top dressing on here. We'll just dump it out here for now until I get done rooting around. That's good. You clearing it? Got that much? You're getting some pretty good predicaments, don't you? You're getting some good predicaments, don't you?
Oh yeah.
Thank you.
All right, back to work.
All right.
See you later.
Yep. There, Chad and Dan can dig that stuff pretty easy. We'll put them right to work, huh? We got all the concrete walls tipped in, backfilled. Now we're using a 3/4-inch crusher run gravel to spread this out. What? All right, we're pretty well level. We'll just do some little fine-tune raking. Looks like there's a little low spot over there. We'll rake that out. We'll set the forms today, dig the perimeter, and put rebar down. And then we don't have the twist ties with us. They're on another job over an hour from here. This feels so good to be lugging wood on a job site. They're screwing the forms together over here.
So that's gonna be awesome. I'll take this now.
Actually, I guess they're all done. Oh, almost done. Here we go, 24 feet. Nice. Oop, gotta flip this one over. You got it?
Mm-hmm.
Just lay it right down, or yeah, maybe lay it down. Just lay it down. Then I can do a line all the way down here. Okay. I want to explain how we do these forms. These are 2x6 12s right off the shelf at the lumberyard. They measure 12 feet 1/4 inch. So with two of them together, it's 12 foot 1/2 inch. So we mark 24 feet down, and that gives a 1/2 inch overhang. Then we can screw those in, and we do that all four sides all the way around. Works really well. What are you guys doing?
Hey.
Working.
Get out of my space. This is your space. Except when somebody's holding it.
What's that do?
Well, oh, that is dangerous.
Oh.
What?
Almost there.
We only have one microphone going. And I want everybody to be heard.
Hey. Now he's gone.
A hand grenade would put us right out of business, right there.
Yeah, huh?
Do a diagonal. And a half. So up. 33, 11, and 3/8. Last measurement. This is it. Okay, I'm doing it. Oh, it's an 1/8. So it's got to go to you an 1/8. Yep. Perfect. 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 Okay, put them grade stakes in. Grade stakes, I think I mentioned, are an hour away. All right, all the corners and all the forms are perfect, right on. Now, we only have 2 shovels. I bought 2 brand new ones. Where'd the rakes go? I see one. Ah, there's the other one. Yeah, I don't think we should pile the dirt on them yet on the outside.
Okay.
You did?
No, not exactly.
Well, if it's straight, I guess we're all right. A lot of you have been asking about Kyle. Where is Kyle? Hey, where's Kyle?
Where's Kyle?
Where's Kyle? We don't ask because we know. He took a real job. It's days like this though, it's beautiful. It's 60 degrees maybe. Sunny, warm wind wafting. Anyway, he did take a job. they made him an offer he couldn't refuse. We miss him. Now for the plastic.
The whole thing, or?
I'll just pull it right in the box. I can just pull it while it's in the box. If I had the... I think so. Kind of a heavy...
Which way is it going?
Right there. That'll work. There you go. Watch out. There you go. They're eager to cut. They got their little Milwaukee wannabe utility knives. Right there is good. Was Chad pulling against us?
I couldn't tell.
You couldn't tell?
Wow. That's what I got.
Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Good form. Great form. Ten, 11, 12. One more.
One more? Oh, one more after me?
Yep. Before we put the plastic down, you could see that we hollowed out around the edge to thicken that perimeter. We may have to space those a little better, huh?
Yeah, probably.
'Cause that one should be in the...
Yeah, this one goes in the hole, right?
Yeah. Uh-oh. The ruffled... Oh, I fixed it. I fixed the ruffle. I don't have my tape. Let me get my tape. Oh. Yes. In. Bill. 14. 15. 18. 20. 30. Yeah. A lot of people ask about concrete slabs and cracking without a full frost wall. This is how we always done. We've done close to 500 of these this way over 35 years. It works really great. If the area you can see back there, the ground slopes away so there's no water running to the slab. That's the biggest deal. And there's no clay in this ground. Clay is a problem. So it works really well for us.
The measurement stuff, probably good.
It came out, I think that's good. Thanks for thinking of that though. I mean, that's, you know what? I mean, you know what? We have one more? Oh, they're holding the corners. So we are all set up, except for grade stakes. We'll run a string, make sure everything is perfect on the outside. Then we'll bank up around the edges and drive the grade stakes. That will be when we come back to pour the floor. We'll allow a little bit of time. We'll have to see when we can get concrete because it's been a little bit hard scheduling that. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a comment if you would like to, and if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. I'd appreciate it. Tap the bell. That gives you a heads up that there's a new video. So, thanks a lot. We'll see you later.